Okay mga kamats, mga kaibigan, welcome back to another content and part 2 to nung bugoy na koy content natin. Na guest tong ito si Miss CJ. Okay, so eto muna.
Yung mga lalaki, kaya sila bumibembang ng ibang babae for status purposes.
Okay.
Again, why be with a guy like this?
Oo nga, again, hindi ko magets yun eh. Paano ba ibig mong sabihin ng bumibembang for status symbol? Kasi kung titignan ko yun objectively, parang may accounting kayo ng mga iniyot nyo na babae, di ba? Parang may scoreboard kasi kada may iyutin ka may score, tapos ang ini-impress mo hindi yung babae, ang ini-impress mo yung circle of friends mo. Hindi ba that sounds really really gay kasi ang ini-impress mo lalaki hindi babae, di ba? And it's very objectifying and misogynistic sa babae, okay? Parang doesn't sound good. Anyway, tuloy natin.
Ako ay nasa kalsada, yung babae ko sa kitchen.
Nasa kalsada siya, tapos the girl is in the kitchen.
Ito, maraming nang call out sa akin dito kasi sinabi ko daw na mukhang katulong yung mga wives ni Bugoy ni Koy Koy. Actually, hindi nga lang mukhang katulong eh. Ginagawa niyang katulong, di ba? And yung silbi nila sa buhay ni Koy Koy is just to help him succeed. Wala silang ibang pangarap kung hindi makitang umangat yung principal nila. Instead na maghanap sila ng purpose nila sa buhay nila. Hindi ba mas maganda yon na dalawa kayong meron kayong personality as a couple and meron din kayong goals as individuals. I don't understand this, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Kaya ako, I'm so disappointed na ito yung pinakikinggan ng mga kabataan ngayon. No? Tuloy natin. Oh. Ano ba yan? Nangyari? Ayaw.
And I love being in the kitchen, by the way.
Kasi pag nabembang namin yung, kunyari, gusto ng ibang mga lalaki, yung status talaga namin tumataas sa mundo naming mga lalaki.
Why be with this guy? So disgusting.
Oo nga, ginagawa niya kasing trophy yung babae eh, instead of, giving them respect and love that they deserve. Hindi ba yun? And if you really want to have sex with other women, number one, di ba may rule kasi yung kiss, keep it to yourself. Ay, hindi, mali. Keep it simple pala. Yung wag kang kiss and tell pag lalaki ka, di ba? Kasi nga, of course, pumayag naman sa yung babae. That's why, dun pa lang, you should already feel na emotionally stable ka. Pero if you're looking for validation sa mga guy friends mo, that really sounds gay, Bugoy. Oy. Andyan na. Sige. So, tuloy natin to. Teka lang ha. Popos ko lang kasi may hearing ngayon kasi sa kaya may hearing kasi ngayon sa Senado. So, mamaya ko cover natin yun. Pero ito muna kasi mabilis lang naman to eh. Okay, dito na tayo sa 30
Yung approval every time you dress look good on you, different but in what setting are you cool? Just in your world. In our world, in the world of many people, you look like and I'm supposed to listen to you? How about
Hindi, alam mo kasi, Miss CJ, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung psychology nitong mga ganitong klaseng vloggers na to and who they appeal to, okay? So of course, she would not get it dahil sa kanya, ang success is measured by, yung career mo, yung career trajectory mo, and the family that you will have in the future, di ba? Or hindi sa dami ng nabembang na babae, only young men will appeal to that. Kasi yung mga young men are disenfranchised, meaning to say wala pa silang na-achieve na totoo sa buhay nila, wala pa silang direction sa buhay nila, so very primitive or primordial yung kanilang gusto, bembang ng babae. Pag nabembang ko to, I feel cool, di ba? That is very primitive in nature, di ba? Doon siya nag-a-appeal eh, kasi mas madali ngang makita yun kasi pag nakita mo maganda yung jowa, you feel like you're a winner in life. But thing is, life is very complicated and it's not just measured by nabembang mo. Actually, ako mas gugustuhin ko na kung may jowa ka na babae, kung may jowa ka na babae or lalaki, whatever, parehas kayong nagsasucceed sa buhay as individuals. Hindi ba mas maganda yon na goal sa sarili nyo? That's why yung mga kagaya ni CJ na they are very successful in life as individual, di nila talaga magiget si Bugoy. Ako in a way naiintindihan ko kasi I listen to people like I understand, hindi listen I understand yung manosphere nito na inaano nila na binebenta nila sa mga kabataang lalaki. And this is very alarming dahil your role model is someone like Bugoy na Koykoy, and you are in for trouble more times than not. Anyway, tuloy natin.
How about boy, koy, koy?
I don't know.
This is torture. But okay, let's see. One more daw, one more.
Sa kalsada yung babae ko
Ito.
sa kitchen. Hindi ko siya problema, pera lang ang iisipin.
Wait. Is this his song? Oh, he's a singer? Oh, he's a rapper. Wait. I have to listen to the lyrics of that again. Nasa kalsada siya, tapos the girl is in the kitchen. I love being in the kitchen, by the way. Ano yung perang kukuhanin and then uulitin? Ba't wala silang mga bra? You can't buy a bra. I mean, okay, if he told them to dress this way, they all look the same now. They're generic now. They don't have personalities now. Not that I'm saying they had personalities before. I don't know them.
Yung ano kasi nila, identity nila dito kasi sa internet, itong mga asawa ni Bugoy, yun na yung character nila asawa kami ni Bugoy, nothing more, nothing less. Hindi ba mas nakakababa yun ng estado ng babae that you are just someone na asawa ni Bugoy? Don't you have don't you have more purpose in life than just being paanakan ni Bugoy? Kasi there is a video na kumakalat sa internet na parang natutuwa sila na bubuntisin sila ni Bugoy. Parang sabay-sabay daw. Hindi pa nangyayari yon. Not saying kung ano yung fertility status ni Bugoy, but don't you think na there is more to life than being just yung asawa ni Bugoy? I don't understand this. Ngayon, si Bugoy kasi nagrereklamo sila why people like CJ and myself and other individuals are making content about kay Bugoy. Well, you are a public figure. And yung escapades mo ay pinopost mo sa internet. Most likely people will comment on that. No different from me and her. Diba? Anyway, tuloy natin to. And then, I'll give you my final take.
But they all look the same now. They even have the same earrings now. And, well, to be
Uniform.
honest, there's nothing wrong with a woman who's in the kitchen. I love being in the kitchen. But, I don't know. It's just I have a problem with this guy.
Yung context kasi nung in the kitchen, parang inaano mo lang, binabox mo lang yung mga babae as katulong mo, 'di ba? Yun yung point ko doon. Hindi lang sila mukha, ginagawa niya talaga. 'Di ba? Tagapiga ng kalamansi and all of that. Now, panoorin niyo na lang to sa Peanut Gallery Media, and ito yung take ni CJ dito. I think this has a lot of views, millions na yata. So, let me go to the doon sa integration ko rito sa situation na to. Now, naalala nyo ba yung nag-break di ba tatlo yung asawa ni Bugoy, and then naging dalawa na lang, yung isa kasi umalis sa kanya. And I'm really happy for that one person na umalis sa kanya. Okay? Kasi sinasabi ni Bugoy, pag umalis daw siya, naging mas better daw yung babae na yun dahil sa kanya. Hindi, mali, baliktad. Umalis yung babae na yun kasi gusto niyang maging better na babae, na maghahanap siya ng partner na nilirespeto yung pagkababae niya, at hindi lang ang tingin sa kanya ay eto lang, ay hindi lang siya sa kitchen. That's the point there, mga lods. Kasi alam nyo, pwede naman kayong mag-iyot kung gusto nyo Kung gusto nyong maging isang promiscuous na tao and fuck all the women you want, you can do that on your own time. Just don't be in a relationship. Kasi people like this, yung mga tao na they are looking na pag nasa relationship sila, nag-cheat sila, these people are very weak-minded. Ibig sabihin, ginagawa nilang emotional crutch yung kanilang relationship para pag walang kumuha sa kanila, at least may babalikan pa sila. That is just being a coward on the next level. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, when I say parang si Bugoy is yung galawang gay, because hindi ako nagiging Hindi ako nagiging bias towards the LGBT. I'm just saying na parang takot na takot siya mawalan ng babae sa buhay niya. It's as if nagta-trauma dump lang siya, 'di ba? Pagka na-trauma siya dun sa mga past relationship niya. So ang ginawa niya ngayon, meron siyang mga emotional crutch na babae na umaasa din sa kanya. This is kind of a parasitic relationship na I don't want you to have. But if you, by all intent and purposes, if you, the listener, want to have sex with as many women as you like, I would suggest that you do. But don't be in a relationship that you could hurt someone that will love you in the future, di ba? So yun lang naman po yung sa akin for today. Hope you like the the content na ginawa na dito. Miss CJ, thank you po sa lahat. Thank you po sa content and Peanut Gallery. Gege mga lads.